My name is Dominic Ciambroni, founder of The Surgeon, and this is our latest collaboration with none other than Bentley Motors. Before I even open it, a few quick things on the box. Wood, like any material they work with, is really important to Bentley. I remember standing in a room full of veneers and seeing all these incredible varieties from all over the world. And this lid, it's a 3D diamond texture, is signature Bentley design, the same texture you'll find inside the Flying Spur. And just like the vehicle, you open up the box and you're greeted with light. Inside we have some accessories like a dust bag and extra flat laces with silver aglets. And in an owner's manual, this breaks down all the details you'll find in the shoes. And here are the sneakers. A one-of-one shoe designed with the same exquisite craftsmanship you'll find in its matching Bentley. Stitching that matches the steering wheel. Diamond quilting that matches the interior. And materials hand-selected from the same factory floor. We call this shoe the Flying Surgeon. But it wouldn't be complete without a shout out to the Mulliner. They're a team at Bentley that we worked with to craft a matching vehicle. No detail was too small, no idea was too big. In both the shoe and the car, you'll find matte and gloss blacks, touches of gold and linen hues in buttery leather. But the sneaker car pairing goes beyond similarities in style. These sneakers are actually a pair of keys that unlock the bespoke Bentley Flying Spur Hybrid by Surgeon. Only the owner of this vehicle can walk up in these shoes and seamlessly connect to the car. Functionality, style, and the ultimate collaboration in craftsmanship. I'm Dominic Ciambroni, and this is the Flying Surgeon.